Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can import your videos, audios, photos you like to edit in CapCut for PC. So it is basic tutorial and I think this video is especially for those of you who are using CapCut PC for the first time. So after you download and open the CapCut PC app, and you can find the import option in media and select local, and you can click import to import your videos, audios, or images, or photos you like to edit. And for example, yeah, click open, and to make video you are just going to drag to the track or just click on the add button, and yeah, start for the editing with the all of the future all of the future yeah of the picture and CapCut PC. Alright, that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.